Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Make Money Trucking. So this is my air dryer and my air system is currently pretty froze up. So we're gonna try to thaw it out, and then I'm also gonna replace this cartridge filter right here. So I'll show you guys the new one and I'll show you what the truck is doing. So basically, if I idle it up at all or turn my PTO on, the compressor underneath the hood is actually, the pop-off is popping off on the top of the compressor. So we're going to replace that filter, the air dryer filter cartridge, just to help get some of the water out of there, and then we're going to try to heat it up and get the water out of the system. Alright, so here's the new cartridge for the air dryer. This there's the part number right there. And then we're also going to use, so along with that, we're also going to use these from here, this filter wrench, and we'll just wrap it around there, and then to unscrew the old filter. All right, so we shut the truck off, and then I've also got a purge down here. I'm gonna release all the air out of the system. I'll show you guys. See that there's a I basically got a purge valve here. So I'm going to air out the system, and then we will use the filter wrench and get the old air dryer off. So I'll do that real fast. Alright, so we've aired down the system. I'm just going to get as much air as I can out before we try to undo that filter cartridge. Alright guys, plan B. So we actually need a giant pair of pliers. These are 20-inch pliers. You can buy them at Tractor Supply to get around this air filter to basically rip it out and unscrew it. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, just get this loosening up. These pliers work great. And we get the rest turned off by hand. And we'll just screw the new one on. Well, it's probably a good thing I'm replacing this. This thing looks pretty nasty. I started running the truck about 7 months ago. Bought it over a year ago, so I don't know when this last is replaced. But I guess it's just replaced every year.